So in conclusion, we've touched on ICF and we've noticed that it's a modern form of building. We're not tied to any constraint of shape or design of that building. We've got an ease of build, minimal labour input, or skilled labour input for that matter, which is what costs you money. So you can do a lot of that labour intensive work yourself, even put the walling up yourself. You're not having to pay somebody to do it. It might take you a bit longer, but you can save money. You've ongoing cost savings. You've got low maintenance costs, and you've also got long-term energy savings.